Okay, so next question here we're asked for is question 2e. So I have 5 Fe2 plus, so quite similar again, MnO4 minus plus 8H plus, and that goes to 5 Fe3 plus Mn2 plus 4 H2O. Okay, so I'm told that on average 18.75 centimeters cubed of 0.01 molar of potassium permanganate reacted with 25.0 centimeters cubed, and I'm firstly asked for my molarity of my iron. So first things first that I have to look at here is my number of moles of, sorry, I'm just putting up my calculator now. My number of moles in 18.75 centimeters cubed. So 0.01 moles per litre is 1,000 centimeters cubed. I don't have 1,000 centimeters cubed. I only have 18.75 centimeters cubed. So I multiply by what I know. So that is 0.01 multiplied by 18.75. And then I divide that by 1,000. And that means I have 1.875 by 10 to the minus, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 10 to the minus 4 moles. Okay, that's my number of 18.75. I am asked for my number of moles of Fe2 plus. So MnO4 minus is to Fe2 plus. Ratio there, 1 is to 5. So I have 1.875 by 10 to the minus 4 moles of potassium permanganate. And I have 5 times that in iron. And that's going to give me 9.375 by 10 to the minus 1, 2, 3, 4 moles. And if I ask or look at the question, I'm asked for my number of moles of Fe2 plus in moles per litre. So that's 9.375 by 10 to the minus 4 moles. But in the question, I'm told that that is 25 centimeters cubed. So I need to work out how much is in moles per litre. So again, multiply here by what I know, and I divide by the bit left over. So 9.375 by 10 to the minus 4 multiplied by 1,000 divided by 25, and that gives me an answer of 0.0375 moles of Fe2 plus per litre. So that's my answer to part I. Answer then to part 2 is the total mass of iron in the 250 centimeters cubed solution. Okay, so here, number of moles equals my mass in grams divided by my relative molecular mass. Okay, so if I look at this, again here, I am asked for mass in grams, so I need to work out my relative molecular mass. Okay, and I'm asked for my relative molecular mass of iron, which is 56. So it is 0.0375 multiplied by 56, and that gives me an answer there. So multiply that by 56, gives me 2.1 grams. Okay, now if we look at the question here, okay, that is part 2, but that is, I've used my number of moles per litre, so that is 2.1 grams in 1,000 centimeters cubed. But in the question, I'm asked how much is in 250 centimeters cubed. So again, I multiply by what I know, and again, I divide by the bit left over. So it's 2.1 multiplied by 250 divided by 1,000, and that gives me a mass in grams of 0.525 grams. Okay, that's the answer to part 2. Final part here then is we're asked for the percentage of mass of iron in the tablets. Okay, so if I look at what I have, and there's a couple of ways in which we can do this. To find the percentage Fe, it is the mass of iron divided by the total mass multiplied by 100 over 1. Okay, so if I look, I have my mass of iron, which I've worked out to be 0.525 grams, and that's in 250 centimeters cubed. Now, if I read the question, I am told in the question that I have 5 tablets, each of mass 0.325. Okay, so 5 grams each of those. Okay, so what I need to do here is this is in 250 and this is also in 250 because I'm told I make it up to 250. Okay, but this has 5 tablets in it, whereas this one has 1 tablet. So in order to work out how much is in 1 tablet, so I have 5 tablets equal to 0.525. So then I need to figure out how much 1 tablet has, or how much iron is in 1 tablet. So the amount of iron in 1 tablet is 0.105 grams. So that is the mass in grams per 250 of 1 tablet. And that is 0.325 in 250 as well of 1 tablet. So I can now work out my mass of iron is the mass of 1 tablet, 0.105, divided by the total mass of 1 tablet, 0.325, multiplied by 100 over 1. And when I divide those by each other and multiply by 100 over 1, I get 32.307, so 31%. And that's the answer to part C.